So I think a week or so ago I was showing the cutouts to do these boxes, but I don't think I ever showed the finished result. So I've just popped it together and I've just run glue along the outside of it. Probably should have done it on the inside where you can't see it, because you can see a slight difference in the wood colour. If I'd run it around the inside, that probably would have been better, but hey, there you go. It's only for photos, this particular one, and it turned out absolutely fine. It's a nice fit on the lid, sort of friction fit, but that all depends on you getting these two pieces each side put in place correctly, but that's absolutely fine, specifically for 3mm ply, and we can obviously modify this to any size up to the bed limit, any design. So yeah, all good, and of course we can put our logo on the back as required. So yeah, just a quick update on that and how that ended up.